This is problem 4, exercise 8-9 in your textbook. And like I said, Connect calls it problem 4. And they're giving us some information about this company, Weaver Company. And we just have to wade through the accounting babble, as is often the case. They had the following stock issued. And if you remember, we said issue is the accounting word for sold. Outstanding, not bought back. So they had sold 150,000 shares of dollar par, and they sold 15,000 shares of $100 par, 6% non-cumulative preferred stock. Let's take a look at that for a minute, do a little quick computation. Remember, preferred stock gets returned based on what's in their contract. So every time this company declares a dividend, each of these 15,000 shareholders gets 6% of $100. So that's 0.06 times $100, $6. If the company declares a dividend. They declared an annual dividend on June 10th. So they declared an annual dividend on its 15,000 shares of preferred stock. So that's 15,000 times the $6 and 50 cents per share on the common. So it wants us to figure out what is the total amount of dividends. Once you understand the accounting babble, the math is really pretty straightforward. Let's get to it. First, we'll do the preferred stock. So we have, it's $100 par. $100 par. And it's 6%. And it's 15,000 shares. I'm lazy. I'm just going to take 15,000 times $6. $90,000. That's how much is going to our preferred shareholders. And our common shareholders, we have 150,000 shares out there. Each one of them is going to get 50 cents. 75,000. So the total dividend that they're going to pay is $165,000. What you had to see is you had to realize that you had to compute this dividend of $6 per share, because they don't tell it to you down here. They just say they paid the annual cash dividend, and you had to figure out how much that was.